So this is me on a monitor talking to you. And this is my Raspberry Pi MagicMirror. And that's me in a Jitsi conference, Buddhist saying of the day. This is the live view from the International Space Station camera facing downwards towards the Earth. And you can see a lot of dead pixels, probably caused by cosmic radiation, because it's looking at a dark patch of the Earth. It's on the dark side of the Earth at the moment. And here is the weather radar for Munich, where I live. And you can see there's some drizzle with a little light rain moving across the eastern part of the city, conveniently avoiding where I am. And here we can see air traffic within 100 kilometers of Bangkok, of all places. And this isn't just the display you'd see in the airport, this is real air traffic in the skies. So sometimes you see private or military aircraft as well. So that's the MagicMirror project running on a Raspberry Pi.